In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Designer to quickly edit and improve slides created by Copilot. If you already have a presentation drafted with Copilot, this is a great way to take those automatically generated slides and make them look more polished, more visual, and more presentation ready in just a few clicks. Designer works by suggesting layout and formatting options based on the content already on your slide. So you can improve the overall appearance without having to rebuild anything from scratch. To begin, open your presentation in PowerPoint where Copilot has already created your initial slides. Once the file is open, go to the slide you want to improve first. It's usually easiest to work through the presentation one slide at a time so you can review each design suggestion carefully and choose the one that fits your message best. When you're on the slide, you want to update, make sure you're on the Home tab in the top menu. This is important because it gives you access to the tools you'll need, including Designer. After that, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Designer button. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this may appear as a small star or light bulb style icon. Clicking it will open the Designer task pane on the right-hand side. Once the Designer pane opens, you'll see a range of visual layout suggestions created specifically for the content on your current slide. These suggestions may reorganize your text, adjust spacing, add visual emphasis, or present the same content in a cleaner and more engaging format. Take a moment to browse through the different options so you can compare styles and decide what works best for your presentation. When you find a layout you like, simply click on it. PowerPoint will instantly apply that design to the current slide, and your generated content will stay in place. That means you can experiment with different looks without worrying about losing the text or structure Copilot already created for you. From there, continue moving through the rest of your presentation. Click each slide, open Designer if needed, and review the available layout suggestions.